Welcome to the History for One. Today we're going to learn our topic which is known as the meaning, importance and the sources of history. So this topic is one among the 4 topics which I found in this class, and today we're going to base more on our subtopic which is known as the meaning of history. So this is the important thing that we are going to learn today. Today we're going to learn about the meaning of history. So what is history? So when you talk about history, we mean what? Therefore, we can say that history is the study of past events. Remember, when you were in primary schools, you learned about various events of the past. For example, you learned about the Maji resistance, you learned about the World Wars, and also many other events which you learned in history about the past events. So therefore, those events you learned is all about history, because historian is searching and write about them, which is now come to be as the history. Therefore, by definition and the simplest way, you can say that this history is the study of past events. So history is the study of past events, or events of the past, which we passed through them, is about history. So those events are based in economic, social, and political history. Therefore, all events are categorized into 3 major areas of economic, social, and political. Therefore, it is from there we come to determine that history is divided into 3 main branches of economic history, social history, and political history. Therefore, all those events are studied by historian. Therefore, historian is the one who is dealing with history. Historian is the one who is dealing with history. Or we can say historian is a person who studies history. So all those events which are searched by someone known as historian. Therefore, historian is the one who deals with history or searching about the past events of the past of history. So therefore, as I have said earlier, that history is divided into 3 main branches. Let us say about the branches of history. Branches of history. So history is divided into political history, economic history, social history. All these are the branches of history. So let us draw the diagram which shows this branch of history, so that to simplify for you to understand more about this branch of history. I draw about the diagram which shows this branch of history. Can write here history. Draw the diagram showing this main branch of history here. Here we can indicate economic history. Economic history, this can indicate social history. Social, this, and we can indicate here political history. So these are the main branches of history: political, economic, and social history. And when you talk about, so let us explain about this main branch of history. When you talk about economic history, is when we talk about all economic activities of the past, like agriculture, trade, industries. So all of this economic, all of this trade, agriculture, and industries are based on the branch of economic history. And when you talk about the social, it is when you to study about the social issues of the past, like to learn or like to study about the culture of certain societies, like taboos and many other social issues. And when you talk about political history, is when you learn about the past political issues. Today we can learn about the famous leaders like Mwalimu J.K. Nyerere of Tanzania, Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana. We can learn about Hehe Mkwawa of Hehe. Can learn about Injekitile of Majimaji, and they can learn about Dedan Kimathi of Mama movement in Kenya, and so many other leaders which are found in this branch of history, political history. So this is what I have for you. This is what I have for you today, and let's meet to the next lesson to learn more about the topic of meaning, importance, and sources of history. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get a notification when I upload new content of history for you. Thank you for listening, and have a nice day.